Namaste.
And welcome. Most of you here today are Sindhi and can very closely relate to many of the activities that take place in our Sindhi household.
We assure you that we are not mocking or making fun of our culture in any way. Instead, we are just showing it to you from our perspective, with some exaggeration, of course.
First, we would like to introduce the father of this family. He speaks to his brother about politics and maybe the neighbors too, as his volume could definitely reach that far.
Arey yaar, more than 50 years have happened. God knows what will happen to Pakistan. If only there were more Sindhis in the government. Now look at Zardari.
Oh yes. He went to China the other day to talk about the economic partnership between the two countries.
Arey yaar, I just saw this on Geo. Hickerman, mujhe phone thi hale. Hello? Yes. Hickerman, hold kar. Mumala, mukhe biscuit aane de.
Why are you screaming at me? I'm right next to you.
Cha scream cha.
So take it. I hope you guys can still hear us, because next I would like to introduce the mother and grandmother in the family. With one thing on their mind, the wedding of their daughters, they sit and chat about the Davat last night.
Now, did you see what Miss Dimple Varia's daughter was wearing? Arey, mujhe moh hi khuli gaya. What is this caprice vaprice?
To me, it just looks like she left her pajama in the dryer too long.
Now, did you see what I made my mumala wear? This old-fashioned ajrak suit. Wah, mujhe dil hi khush thi wear.
Let us just hope that you know who noticed. He came from Amakasa. Let us just know whose son noticed. He came from Amakasa.
Kya?
You know who jumped to our school. Acha, UMKC Med School. Hi, Rita, that was a toy. Beta, did you talk to Rayam last night?
Mom, I'm 14. He's like 25.
What does age have to do with shadi?
Mom, you're using that sentence out of context again.
What?
You chop it, Cherry. Can I help you with anything?
Yes, what does the bride have to do with the wedding? Anyways, next I would like to introduce the rest of the sisters. There isn't much to be said about them.
Mama, we ran out of shaving cream. Because somebody decided to do her back today. Chachi will give you some. We have it on back.
Or die. I'll take you to my room. I have extra bottle.
Usually, men are known to be hairier than women, but if you're Sindhi, that fact just doesn't apply to you.
Hey, I would like to just make a note. We don't really shave our faces.
Moving on, next I would like to introduce the son in the family, Sadakat, who has now become S-Dog, along with his two very strange friends.
Movie.
Look, Ma, we ain't trying to close that we buy. Louis bag popping tags like T.I. It's the recession. I know times are hard, but don't you worry, Dad, I put it all on your credit card. I got Dickies from Glicks instead of going to Abercrombie and Fitch. I got tall tees from the finish line that barely fits. I got me some fresh new kicks. Do the stanky leg, hey! I ain't tripping, I ain't falling, so don't trip. I gave some gory ladies my number, expect them to be calling, cause we in the mall. When we in the mall, we ballin'.
What is it?
My name is Johnny. I am P.A.K. Pakistani. The rap I'm about to spit to y'all will make all you girls in here go on Johnny. Check it. My brother, I got my eye on your sister. She over there serving that chai to your mama. Forget what we got at the mall. I want to take your sister out so we can have a ball. I guess I can delete my profile on Shabi.com and maybe even my Facebook because I got girls on my wall-to-wall. Now check it. This is how we do. Thank you, STL.
What's up? All right. This little guy, I mean, I pity him. I usually pity the fool, but he's a fool. All right. I pity the fool. Because I ain't got time for lady issues. See, you can go in a corner and cry. I'll give you some tissues. All right? Yeah. Because I'm a straight hustler. Can't keep up with me. It's a full-time job. I got too much swagger for all you fobs. Hey. And since we're on the subject, your sister ain't got nothing on your mom.
Bichare! Huh? Bichare! It's a stanky leg! अच्छा सारी बाबा ऐसा मॉल गया सी सारी बाबा ऐसा मॉल गया सी
Who just came out of your mouth, yo? Real talk, real talk.
Man, he be speaking that Chinese again.
He thinks our friend's Karen. Doctors, huh?
Yo, S-Star, why you always talking about doctors? Is he sick or something?
DJ.
Cha? DJ? Care DJ?
Did your brother lose some weight?
Nah, man, that's my sister.
What the? Hey, let's keep it PG-13. Thanks, S-Dog and his odd friends.
Now we would like to show you the actual dinner taking place where the father tries yet again to teach all his children the actual pronunciation of some very important words. You know the word?
Okay, everybody, I will teach you some Sindhi words that will be very helpful in your life.
Very helpful.
My papa, chal das, he used to beat me every day until I pronounced these right. Okay, pehno akhar. Dedar.
What's Dedar?
Next. Yo. मतलब बताए.
He means firstly.
I'm straight confused right now.
Frog. My mama told me it meant frog.
Chibro. It means owl.
Chibro what?
What is chip?
Okay, we're done, thanks.
Okay, I think that's enough Sindhi for today.
We're at SYNA. The Sindhi is just getting started.
Don't remind me.
We would like to thank you for being a great audience, and I hope you like our little skit. Thank you.
Thank you.